people, welcome to Adwoa's amazing world. And today I'm here with Mr. Giraffe.
Hello, amazing people!
Happy New Year! Today we are going to make a very potent tea that can boost your immune system and help you fend off coughs and colds. The ingredients are
lemon, ginger, cayenne pepper, and honey.
awesome. Now to the recipe.
We are going to use 2 whole lemons, a large piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of honey.
The interesting thing is that we'll be using the lemon and ginger peels.
Lemon peels contain lots of calcium, vitamin C, and antioxidants.
Awesome.
Ginger peels contain anti-inflammatory compounds.
So let's start.
We will peel the ginger. Then we will separate the peeled ginger from the peels.
Next, we will cut the lemon into pieces and squeeze the juice into a container. We will keep the lemon juice and the lemon pieces, but we'll discard the lemon seeds.
We will put the lemon pieces, ginger peels, and cayenne pepper in our cookware. Then we will add enough water and allow the mixture to cook for about 10 minutes.
Great! Cayenne pepper is so beneficial to the body. However, if you don't like it, you can do without it.
While the mixture cools, we will blend our peeled ginger with some water.
It's about 10 minutes now.
We will go ahead and pour the blended ginger mixture into the mixture in our cookware. We will stir the mixture and turn off the fire.
Then we will allow the mixture to sit for about 5 minutes to cool.
Using a sieve, we will sift the mixture into a cup. We will discard the content in the sieve. We will add some of our freshly squeezed lemon juice and some honey to the mixture in the cup.
Voila! Our tea is ready! Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this page. Until we come your way next time, always remember that you are amazing.